Noam Chomsky is one of the most influential thinkers of the 20th and 21st centuries, known for his groundbreaking work in linguistics, political activism, and philosophy. Born in 1928 in Philadelphia, Chomsky began his academic journey as a linguist, but expanded his influence into other areas like politics and social theory. Below, we will explore 4 of his most significant contributions in greater detail. The first contribution is Chomsky's theory of universal grammar, which revolutionized the field of linguistics. Chomsky argued that all human languages share a common structure, which he called universal grammar. According to this theory, humans are born with an innate ability to understand and produce language. For example, children can quickly learn complex grammar rules without formal instruction, which suggests that language learning is hardwired into our brains. This idea transformed the study of language by focusing on the mental processes behind it, rather than just the rules and patterns of individual languages. The second contribution is his work on the Chomsky hierarchy in formal linguistics. Chomsky created a framework for understanding different types of grammars, which are sets of rules that define how languages work. The Chomsky hierarchy is used in computer science, mathematics, and artificial intelligence to analyze how languages are structured and how machines process information. For example, programming languages like Python and Java are built using concepts from this framework, making Chomsky's work essential to modern technology. The third contribution is his political activism, particularly his critiques of US foreign policy and media systems. Chomsky's book, Manufacturing Consent, co-authored with Edward Herman, explores how mass media often serves the interests of powerful elites rather than providing unbiased information. He argued that the media uses subtle techniques to shape public opinion and maintain the status quo. This work has inspired activists, journalists, and students to think critically about the role of media in society. The fourth contribution is Chomsky's philosophy on freedom and justice. Throughout his life, he has advocated for social equality, democracy, and human rights. Chomsky's speeches and writings often emphasize the importance of questioning authority and standing up against oppression. For example, he has spoken out against economic inequality and environmental destruction, urging people to take action for a more just and sustainable world. His ideas have inspired generations of activists and thinkers who share his vision of a fairer society. Famously, Chomsky debated another famous 20th century philosopher, Michel Foucault. Their ideas were very different, so to learn about Foucault's ideas, watch this video next.